So here we comes with Diagnox-60, which is turning on but exposing is not working. As you can see, there's no light indication here, and I'll show you whether it is exposing or not by switching the hand switch, and no response. So let's see how to do it, and probably it will be the loose contact, and I'm checking it. So let's see. So I opened the machine and checking for loose contact in the particular area. You can see here wires are fine, and I'm pulling it out, but the wires are strong, so that is not a problem, and the board is looking good, so we don't want to suspect the board also. And I'm checking every connections, that is also fine. So another move is, here you can see two fuses. We can check the fuse is fine or not by unscrewing these side screws, so that we can open the screws. And finally I found the problem with the phone here. 25 ampere, 20 ampere and 415 voltage. So I removed it and scratched it well, and put it back to the machine, and I was suspected this F2 and F3 fuses, but it was fine, and I couldn't able to make the video about it because doctor was near with me. So now we will check. As you can see, the light is blinking, light is came, and the problem is solved. I'm exposing it. So leave a comment if you have any question. We'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.